Here's what nobody tells you when you start with AI. You don't need a dozen tools. You don't need a subscription to everything. You need one tool, and you need to actually learn how to use it. Everything else is noise until then. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly which tool to start with. The one that covers 80% of what AI can do for your business. Set it up with you and give you 5 prompts you can use the moment this video ends. Let's build your foundation. There's a pattern I see with every owner who tries AI and gives up. They download 5 tools in the first week, spend an hour on each, get overwhelmed, and go back to doing everything manually. Sound familiar? The owners who actually change their business do the opposite. They pick one tool. They use it every single day for 30 days. They get genuinely good at it. Then, and only then, they add the next one. Depth beats dabbling every time. And the tool with the highest ceiling and the lowest barrier to entry is ChatGPT. This is your foundation. Setup is genuinely 2 minutes. Go to chatgpt.com, click Sign Up, and use your Google or email account. You're in. Start on the free plan. It's more than enough to learn on. Now, bookmark it right now. Put it in your browser toolbar. The goal for the next 30 days is simple. Before you write any email, any post, any customer message, open ChatGPT first. Here's the one skill that separates great results from mediocre ones. It's a 4-part formula. Role, task, details, format. Role. Tell it who to be. You're a marketing expert. Task. What you want it to do. Write a promotional email. Details. The specifics. For my coffee shop's loyalty program, friendly tone. Format. How you want it. Under 150 words with a clear call to action. The more context you give, the better it responds. A lazy prompt gets a generic answer. A 4-part prompt gets something you can almost use as is. Now let's make it useful. Here are 5 prompts you can use the moment this video ends. Steal all of them. Prompt 1. Content. Write 7 engaging posts for my business this week with captions and hashtags. Prompt 2. Email. Write a warm follow-up to a client who hasn't replied to my quote under 90 words. Prompt 3. Customer service. Write friendly answers to my 5 most common questions. Prompt 4. Strategy. Act as a consultant and give me a 30-day plan to get more local customers. Prompt 5. Polish. Turn these rough notes into a professional client message. Save these 5 in a note on your phone. That's your starter library. The last step is the most important and the simplest. For the next 7 days, one rule. Before you write anything, any email, post, or message, open ChatGPT first and ask it to draft it. Then you read it, edit what doesn't sound like you, and send. You're not replacing your judgment. You're eliminating the blank page and cutting your drafting time by 70 to 80%. By day 7, it's a reflex. By day 30, you'll wonder how you ran your business without it. That's your foundation. One tool, one formula, 5 prompts, one habit. Master this and every other AI tool gets easier from here. You're not starting from zero anymore. Every day I break down how to use AI to run a better, faster business. Subscribe and hit the bell. Tomorrow we go deeper into the exact ChatGPT prompts every business owner should have saved. See you there.